Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I have another video for you guys regarding Valentine's Day. I have a DIY that I want to share with you guys, and I think that it's something that's going to turn out really cute, so I hope that you will stick around and watch, and I hope you guys like it. And if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Give me some love, I would really appreciate it. And if you guys are interested, and I'm ready to go, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the items that I will be using for this DIY is some acrylic paint that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I really hope that it works well, so we'll see. Then I picked up these, and I already opened them. They're called, what do they call these? I threw away the wrapper, but it's some type of a decorative type of piece, but they're actually rings. They're cute, but see, I didn't know that they were rings because they did not say on the package. And if I had known they were rings, I would not have bought them. But I'm gonna see what I can do because they are cute, real cute for Valentine's. See, it's a ring, and I don't really need this part, but I have an idea of what I'm going to do with it. So I have these, and I'm not going to use all of these, just maybe a few. Then the next item, we're going to use paint brushes. I only need one. Got this at Dollar Tree as well. Everything that I'm showing you, I picked up from Dollar Tree. So it's a pack of 5. So they're really cute. And some extra fine glitter. This is silver. You don't have to use glitter. I just want to do it to, beautify it and make it look real sparkly. And then the last item, this is the star of the DIY, is this cute little love sign. I like it. I think it's really cute. I'm not going to worry about that little, probably some oil or something from my fingers or something, but that's okay. We're going to paint over this. So if you guys are ready, just keep watching. Okay, you guys. I don't know why I always get nervous when I do a DIY. You don't know if it's going to turn out right. I don't know if any of you feel like that, but I do. So anyway, first thing I did was just pour a little bit of the paint on my little paper here. And then now I'm going to get started with painting this cute little love sign. So let's hope it turns out good. I won't be doing a lot of talking, hardly any, because when I do DIYs, you guys, I have to concentrate. Some people can really talk and, keep you entertained that way, but I'm going to stop talking until I finish this one part. And guys, just enjoy a little music while I do this, and I'll talk to you in a moment. Okay, you guys, here is my little cute Valentine love sign. This DIY, I think it turned out pretty cute. Not too hard. And you see the little glitter that I have sprinkled on there. And these little rings that I was telling you about, right now I don't have them glued securely to the sign. I just have them placed there just for the video because that's what I like. Something quick and easy. And if you guys are inspired to make one of these, go to Dollar Tree and find you this little love sign and any little cute things that you want to incorporate on it. So thank you guys for watching. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of the home decorating family. And I will talk to you guys later. Have a great day. And remember, you are valuable. God loves you, and so do I. Bye.